Tutorial number 5, continuing on the evolution menu. The replace all and the mutate all. I said in tutorial number 4 that the top half stays and creates its offspring. If you check replace all, the top half will also be replaced. So everyone will be discarded, but it'll still take the top half and mutate and recombine them. But instead of just recombining them into 32 new maps, it'll recombine them into the full 64 new maps, and then that replaces the top half. The mutate all is if you're not replacing the top half, if that's unchecked. Mutate all, if you have that, it'll still at least just mutate the top half so that they have a probability of, becoming not the top half anymore after a while. That both of these checks, if you check them, it allows them to diversify more. If you uncheck them, you're more to fine-tuning. And replace all is more drastic, of course. Now, the mutate disconnected and the mutate towards equal population, those are both for fine-tuning. So at that point, your mutation rate is going to be really low. You're going to be close to a good map. And you're going to want to uncheck mutate all, probably, because you want it to mutate slowly. What the mutate disconnected will do is, you see these little stragglers over here. After the normal mutation step, it will add another mutation step that applies only to the stragglers, and it's mutating them to try to get rid of them, because most likely if they mutate, they're going to mutate to, these green ones will mutate to the purple ones. So that's if you're at a really good map, but you still got a few of these and you can't seem to get rid of them. You just select mutate disconnected, and the program will eventually get rid of them. Mutate towards equal population only. That puts another check on the mutation. Let me get my population balance view. So what that does is it takes a potential trade and says, okay, if I'm going from green, which is high population, to red, which is low population, the trade's okay. But if I'm going from red, low population, oh, I got that backwards. Oh no, I got that right. If I'm getting from red, low population, and I'm giving that to an already high population district, the trade is not accepted because it just makes it even more uneven. So it only trades from high to low when that's checked. And that's again for fine-tuning when you want to get your population imbalance lower. It will drop that number faster. So those two, or those three rather, because you'll be unchecking mutate all for final tweaking, and you'll just let the map run and do its final on that. So that's it. That's how you do the final tweaking, essentially. And also, I've noticed at that stage you generally want to turn the geometric feature like really high, and equal population, you want to turn that up, because those tend to be what the program has difficulty with. I guess that's it. Hope you enjoyed.